Welcome to the channel. Here, we master tricky words and their pronunciations. Today, we're tackling the word specialization. It might seem a little tricky, but by the end of this video, you'll be able to pronounce it with confidence. The correct pronunciation is specialization. Let's break it down. First, we have spesh, which sounds like special, but without the al at the end. Next is a quick, unstressed vowel sound, like the A in sofa. Then comes lu, which also sounds like the A in sofa. After that, zay, which rhymes with day and carries the main stress. Finally, shun, which sounds like shun in caution. Now, let's put it all together. Specialization. Try repeating after me. Specialization. Now a little faster. Specialization. And at full speed. Specialization. Keep practicing, and soon this word will feel natural to you. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Specialization refers to focusing on a specific area of knowledge, skill, or work, often leading to expertise in that area. And that's it. Now you know how to pronounce specialization and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next, and don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.